Okay, Team Impact. It is Monday morning. I think we're on a 2 hour delay schedule. We have an assembly today. But if you're in the classroom, you're probably not watching this. I'll probably do this with you. But if you're at home, you can have it. So anyway, we're going to last lesson of the unit. We're going to do the chapter review tomorrow and part of Wednesday, Wednesday/Thursday. So we have a busy week. So today we're finding volume of rational length. Rational just means that we're going to be dealing with some decimals here and mixed numbers and improper fractions. Volume equals length times width times height, right? Let's plug in our values of 6 times 9 times 4 and 5/10. And once we do that, we're going to end up with 243 centimeters cubed. And actually, you could just pause the video and bang through this on your own if you wanted and check it as we get to. Now, the next one, I'm going to use this formula, capital BH. All right. And this is the same as that. That capital B means they've multiplied these two already. So 5.3 times 2 times 11, same exact thing, 116 and 6/10 meters cubed. Okay. All right. Go ahead and do in 3 and 4. Volume equals capital BH, 4 1/3 times 12 times 9. Again, volume is capacity. We're trying to see how much it will hold, right? So when we multiply these three numbers out, we're going to get the product of 468 feet cubed. Okay. The volume equals length times width times height. Again, I'm switching back and forth to force you to learn that. It's going to be 8 times 8 is 64. And 1.5 times of that, well, it's going to be 96, right? 96 inches cubed. So it is. Okay. So we should be pretty comfortable with this. Let's flip the page and let's take a look at the next one. Okay. And the next one reads, a clothes dresser is shaped, is the shape of a rectangular prism. The dresser has a height of 3, a width of 8 1/5, and a depth of 2. How many cubic feet is it? So what I know, okay, and let's not worry about all that. We know that volume is length. So we have our length, our height of 3 times 8 1/5 times 2. And we're going to see how many cubic feet it is. And when we multiply all that, we end up with 49 and 2/10 feet cubed. Okay. A shipping crate is advertised to hold up to 24 cubic feet. If a box in the shape of a rectangular prism measures 2 by 1.5 by 8/10, how many boxes, all right, will the shipping crate hold? Okay. Well, let's go. So, volume equals length times width times height. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the volume, okay? So I'm going to take 2 times 1.5 times 8/10. And that, once I find that out, that's going to give me the volume of the shipping crate, all right? Because those are its dimensions. So that equals 2 4/10 feet cubed. But I think there's more to this question here. A shipping crate is advertised to hold 24 cubic feet. If a box in the shape of a rectangular prism is this, how many of these will go on that? Okay. All right. So I think we need to do one more thing. I think we need to take that 24 and we need to divide it by 2 4/10, right? we need to see how many of these will go into this, right? I kind of read the question, but since I went back and read it, I saw my error, my way there. But anyway, 24 divided by this is actually 10, right? 10 boxes, and that's what it will hold. So there's a little bit more in depth there, right? Okay. Number 7. A music stereo is packed in a box shaped like rectangular prism that measures 18.5, 32, and 12. What is the volume? That's pretty cut and dry. Right? When we just want the volume, we're just plugging the numbers in. I mean, that's pretty easy, right? We shouldn't have any trouble doing volume. 18 and 5/10, multiply all of those, and you're going to get a product of 7,222 and 4/10 inches cubed. Okay. So, again, last lesson of the unit. Quick little deal right here. Go ahead and do numbers 1 to 6. See the mystery character at the bottom, and have a good day.